Poor breathing technique can manifest in various symptoms that affect both physical and mental well-being. Here are the top 5 symptoms of poor breathing technique. 1. Increased stress and anxiety. Improper breathing triggers the body's stress response, leading to heightened anxiety, restlessness, and difficulty in relaxing. 2. Neck and shoulder tension. Using shallow or upper chest breathing can cause chronic tension in the neck and shoulders, resulting in stiffness, discomfort, and pain. 3. Poor quality sleep. Shallow breathing disrupts normal sleep patterns, contributing to difficulty falling asleep, frequent waking, and overall poor sleep quality. 4. Digestive issues. Improper breathing affects digestion by reducing blood flow to the digestive organs, leading to bloating, indigestion, and other gastrointestinal discomforts. And 5. Headaches and fatigue. Inadequate oxygen intake from poor breathing can cause headaches, dizziness, and a general feeling of fatigue or lethargy throughout the day. In the next few minutes, I will give you an easy way to check and improve your breathing. My name is Dr. Barrett. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I've helped thousands of people live better naturally, and I'd like to help you too. Let's get started. Take a deep breath and notice if you feel like your body is going up or getting a little taller. Then exhale. Does it feel like your body is coming down and maybe getting a little shorter? If so, this is a dysfunctional breath. Babies and young children usually breathe correctly. However, as children grow older, several things happen that lead to improper breathing habits. When you ask a 10-year-old to take a breath, they often use their upper chest instead of their belly, which is not how bodies are designed to breathe. This way of breathing can increase anxiety, trigger neck and shoulder discomfort, disturb sleep, and contribute to digestive problems. So why does this happen? To begin with, children spend considerable time sitting, particularly when they go to school. Sitting for extended periods of time can impact your breathing patterns. Injuries are also a factor. For example, if a child engages in activities such as playing soccer or climbing trees and experiences an injury to the belly, back, or core, they might begin breathing more shallowly to minimize the discomfort. Over time, this shallow breathing can become habitual, particularly if they regularly wear tight clothing or suck in their stomach. Even wearing constructive undergarments like bras can also contribute to improper breathing. If left unaddressed, poor breathing habits carry into adulthood. To practice belly breathing, place one hand on your chest and one hand on your abdomen, like this. As you take a deep breath in, focus on letting your body expand while keeping your chest relatively still. Feel the expansion in your abdomen as you fill your lungs completely. Your shoulders should remain relaxed throughout this process, allowing for a full 360-degree expansion around your midsection. This type of breathing aligns with your body's natural anatomy and supports overall health and well-being. I suggest that you practice belly breathing several times a day till it becomes a habit. If you want to observe this natural breathing pattern, well, watch a sleeping baby or any animal like your dog, cat, or even a fish. Notice how they breathe effortlessly, expanding fully on the inhale and gently contracting on the exhale, without any movement of their neck or shoulders, allowing a complete 360-degree cycle. The next step to improve breathing is to reduce stress. I've put my video, How to Use Acupuncture Points to Relieve Stress and Anxiety, right here. Have a look.